In the mathematics kit, the next TLM is GeoBoard. How to make GeoBoard? Let us see now. This TLM gives clear understanding of geometry. This is a good TLM for that. This is made using light hard boards and push pins. One side circle and on the other side is square. Two-dimensional figures are made. Let us see that now. To make this, we need push pins, which are normally used on soft boards. Also, any cardboard box, either biscuit box or a courier box, the hard cardboard of any parcel can be used. We must clearly know what size to cut on the sheet. Let us make points on the cardboard first. Let us draw the borders. We can take our own GeoBoard for measuring size. Now we have cut 3 squares of the same size as GeoBoard. We have made 3. What should we do now? We should glue them together. Then it will become thick and hard as the original GeoBoard. Like this, after joining them together, we should leave it alone, and then we can fix the push pins. We can first mark it. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we consider this as centimeter, it should be marked in the center. 20 centimeters. 21 here. In this one, 18. 1 and 1 from this side. 1 from here, 1 from here. So from every side we leave a margin. Let us mark the margin here. Let us draw 5 marks here in the center. How much do we have here? 19 is 9.5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 on the other side. 18 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, 1, it has to match the other side. Here we have to fix the push pins. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 5 is 25 pins. Let us, if we fix it like this, it may come off. So while fixing, we should dip it in glue and fix it. Also, before fixing, we should make small holes on the points. In these holes, let us put the glue. Then dip the pins in the gum and fix it. In these holes, let us put some glue. This way. And now we can fix the pins. Insert the pin completely. You can choose single color or you may use different colors of pins. After fixing all pins, you should leave it alone for some time. Leave it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is dry, it will not come off so easily. It will be fixed. On this, we can make different shapes using rubber bands. These rubber bands will stay strong. It will not come off. Geoboard we can make in different shapes. This is slightly smaller. Similarly, we have made one more which is slightly bigger. While making this, one point on which we have to be careful is sharp edge of the pins should not protrude out from the other side. That we should be very careful. It is not necessary that we make only 5 by 5. If the board is bigger, we can make 10 by 10 matrix and let children create different shapes, fixing 100 pins. This way, we can create an opportunity for every child to create her own geoboard. All children can create shapes of his or her interest and learn geometry using his own created board very nicely.